Quick winter weather update for December 27th, focusing on Norway, Berlin, and Tokyo. In Oslo, around 3 degrees Celsius today, dropping to 0 tomorrow with clear skies. Trondheim, 4 degrees Celsius today, but strong wind gusts, yellow warning in effect. Up north in Tromsø, starting at 0 degrees, cooling to -5 degrees Tuesday, watch for avalanches and blow. In Berlin, milder at 1 degree Celsius today, up to 4 degrees Monday. Contrast in Tokyo, cold 1 degree Celsius today, but warming to 13 degrees Celsius by Tuesday. From freezing winds in Norway to mild in Berlin and warming Tokyo, bundle up or enjoy. That's your update.